respected principal ma'am, all teachers, seniors and my dear friends. Today we gathered here to celebrate Earth Day. We celebrate Earth Day every year on 22nd of April to awareness about our planet that supports life. So it's our responsibility to take care of our planets. I, Shraddha Soni, will be your host for today. Our seniors are going to portray the role of Earth to highlight its importance and show how it affects human life. What if one day the Earth stops supporting us? No air, no water, no life. We call ourselves advanced, but in changing process, we forgot to protect the one thing we can't live without, our planet. What if Mother Earth gave us a report card? Would be fast or fail? This act is not just a performance, it's a warning. Now, I would like to call upon the students of SSDVN to present their act on the stage.
Human, why are you roaming? Sit down now. I need to talk.
Just 1 second, Principal Earth. I am taking selfie.
Phone down. And look, I am just looking at your annual result. And look, you are failing. Grade F.
What? Impossible. I invented AI, smartphone and 5G. I am genius.
You are smart, but your teamwork is zero. And you are hurting your classmates. Let's hear from them.
Did a tornado hit the classroom? Who are these guys? I give you free oxygen all day, and how do you say thank you by cutting me down from shopping malls? Hey, we need space for parking.
Parking? What about my space? You treat me like a giant garbage bin.
Calm down. Just take a sip of water.
That plastic bottle is the problem. My water is turning into toxic soup. Hell, I can barely breathe.
You are air. Just blow a cool breeze.
I can't. You filled me with factory smoke and car fumes. I tried to give a fresh breeze, but I only gave smoke. You ruined my reputation.
And what about me? Do you even know what you are doing? You chopped down trees, so my house is gone. I have no shelter. I am roaming into your city looking for food. And you get mad at me? Forget it next. Look at my diet. You feed me pesticides, chemical fertilizers, non-biodegradable wrappers. I have a stomachache. I can't do anything like this.
Excuse me. Do you see umbrella? I got 24/7 shielding you from harmful UV rays. But your greenhouse gas poisoned hole in my feet. I need SPF 5000 just to survive. Human, do you see this? If trees dies, you stop breathing. If river dries, you stop drinking. And if air goes black, game over. If animal vanishes, the food chain breaks. And if soil gets sick, you won't get food. If ozone fails, you will burn up.
I didn't know that it was this bad. I think that someone would clean it up. No, there is no someone else.
There is no planet B. It has to be you.
Am I expert, Mother Earth?
Not yet. But you are on a final warning. I don't want hashtags. I want action. Go and save your friends before it's too late.
I'm so sorry guys, but I promise to change starting today. I made mistakes, but I will fix them.
Tree on your birthday, watch it grow. Use cloth bags and walk or cycle when you can. Keep me clean.
Protect our habitat and leave room for nature. Compost your waste, keep chemicals away.
Save energy and reduce emission. Help me heal.
Because Earth Day is not just in April, it is every single day. Let's make Sri Shankaracharya Bal Vidya Niketan proud.
Of SSBBN,
We the students of SSBBN
solemnly pledge to protect and preserve our environment. We will use natural resources wisely and strive to reduce pollution in all its forms. And we will conserve water and save energy and minimize the use of plastic in our daily lives and spread awareness among others. We pledge to respect all living beings and work together for a sustainable future with sincerity and responsibility. We commit to making Earth a better place for